Good morning, my friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. If you guys want to keep up to date with all of my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell, and that should get you squared away. And now, for the most mediocre knife frustration you've ever seen. Here we go. So as you can see here, there was no slit for the screwdriver, so I had to make one. So I just cut it with the Dremel. Alrighty then. So now we got that bad boy taken apart, we can start working on the blade. So I got some sandpaper and started sanding off whatever the heck that was on the tip. I have no idea, but it was crazy stuck on. Anyway, this clear fluid that you're seeing me spray on right there is just rubbing alcohol. I use it, I think it's called a lapping fluid. I use it to wet sand. Right about now, you're thinking about clicking off of this video because you're bored. Quite understandable, but it's about to get better because it's gonna get all nice. It's about to see the end. Knife. Do it for the knife. Okay, so I accidentally assembled the knife off camera by accident. I do apologize about that, but this is where we start the finishing process, which is, it's a lot more than I let on in my shorts. In the shorts, you know, it's just like, oh, you know, I splashed it with oil and that's it. No, that's not it at all. It's going to get several coats of oil, and then I think 2 or 3 coats of different waxes that I make. The first one is tool lube, so that's going to be like a thinner, more penetrating wax, and then I have another thicker, like more furniture wax sort of wax, very thick, durable wax that's more water or water resistant and all of that stuff. So yeah, back to the video. Alright, so this is the second part of the finishing process. This will be the two different kinds of wax. And I put them both on the metal and the wood part. It obviously protects the wood from water and moisture and all that mess, but it protects the metal from rust and, you know, corrosion and stuff. But anyway, back to the video again. Alright, so after going Mr. Miyagi for 2 hours, we were left with this. So I wanted to take a second to say thank you so much to everybody for coming out and watching. You guys are amazing. If you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. We also have some merch up on the Patreon if you want to check that out. I've got a couple recipes for some stains and wood finishes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.